Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TSNP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another day, and we have higher highs and higher lows. I think this is now the third day in a row I've done this analysis. So great to see it just continue to grind higher and higher. But needless to say, a lot of eyeballs going to be watching and going into next week. So let's map out some newest levels of support and resistance. So the first thing I'm going to do here is just adjust this level of support upwards, which is always a good thing. When levels of support need to be adjusted in the upwards direction, that is definitely a sign of power. So one of the newest areas of support, what I would call the ideal level, when we say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? That would be if the price can now stay up above 0064. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 0064, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that area, that would definitely be a fantastic sign of power moving forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher, which is very helpful because when it comes to just gauging the overall health of the move, that right there being defined as the move, just watch the purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you must visualize that, that is what has been represented. Sure, staying above 0064 would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, they just continue to not matter. What do I mean by that? Well, as I've said in past videos and will continue to say, what matters the most is what the price has already been doing and continues to do. And that's right there. Build those higher lows, or if you want to envision those as stair steps. So as long as the stair steps continue to be constructed in the upwards direction, then given enough time, everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on healthy consolidations, focus on chipping away and building those higher bases, and sit back and let the trend do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.